It's Anthony. I'm back out here again for another run, another bash. It's been a minute since my last outing. I apologize for the lack of content here lately. Just navigating through life. Nothing too major. We're here. We're back. Got the Asuga back out here. We'll give this a quick rep and hit the ramp a little bit. I'll give you a quick rundown of my setup here. Running 6S. I have been really enjoying this truck quite a bit, but it does have some annoying issue that I run into. One of them is this tower brace right here. It was pretty weak, so I went ahead and got this EDU tower brace. This is a pretty thick 775 brace, so hopefully that will last a little bit longer here. It also comes with a 775 bottom brace there, but I decided to just stick to the stock ones. I haven't had an issue with that. I have the Hobby Star 4282. I believe this is 2000 kV motor. This is their version 2 Hobby Star motor. Max 6 G2 ASC, and I'm also trying out this skidder tires on it. I do have some M2C hex extenders on here, as well as the hex nuts right there. You guys might notice I have an Arma battery tray on here. M2C made this aluminum brace down there, as you can see, to be able to use an Arma battery tray, so that's pretty dope. The stock battery tray is one of the things that are pretty weak on this vehicle, so I'm super stoked to be able to replace and use an Arma battery tray on here. So let's give this a quick rip and hit the ramps, and let's have a good time on it. Not bad. Oh, that's very something. Oh no, that was right on the butt. She landed on the butt. She seems to be alright. She took that butt landing earlier, guys. Oh my gosh, she's fast. Killing it. Now let's check that out. Chassis seems to be alright. Not bad. Right over my head. Not bad. Oh no. Oh. hard on cable, guys. Oh, that was hard. She got that turbo. Alright guys, that is gonna do it for that Asuga. Man, let's see how she does. Oh, alright, let's check out the inside. She looks pretty good out here. Let's check out the chassis. I'm still on stock chassis, as you can see. And yeah, the chassis seems to look pretty good so far. I had a couple of beat down on that in the past, but for some reason it's still pretty good. So it looks like this 775 EDO tower brace works perfect. So I don't have any issue with that so far out here today. So that's the ticket, that's the money right there. And the battery tray seems to be pretty good, no issues there, so I'm loving that. Obviously these are carbon fiber M2C shock towers, and that has been a pretty awesome upgrade as well. I'm really loving this Mag 6 G2 and a Hobby Star combo that I have here. It's pretty fast, pretty awesome combo, as you guys can see. I want to point out that the upper arms of this truck is actually pretty weak. Also, I have snap maybe 2 of them. So what I did is that I went ahead and reinforced it with this heavy duty zip tie on both sides. As you can see, that seems to help. And I believe one of them is still snapped, and so far today did not give me any issue. So it looks like this zip tie right here definitely helps keeping that in place. So there you have it, guys. Had a lot of fun with that Asuga out here. I'll get this home, get it cleaned up, and yeah, we'll bring this sucker back out here again soon. I also want to point out that I haven't venturing out to a different side of the hobby. I have been enjoying the mini crawling side of things, and that's been a lot of fun here. And I might share and post a couple of videos of my mini crawler builds and here and there, just, you know, spice things up a little bit, and that should keep me busy and continue the RC fun during the winter. So yeah, keeping a lookout for that. And there you have it. That's gonna do it for the Asuga. Had a lot of fun with it out here today. I just want to give a huge shout out to M2C Racing for this battery tray adapter plate that I have there, as well as the extenders, the towers, and all the other upgrades that I have on here. I really appreciate it. And also big shout out to Ovonic for powering all my vehicles here. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.